Welcome back to my channel. This is Console Onyekure once again. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start mining Delta airdrop. So if you click the first link on the description section of this video, it's going to take you to this place. The next thing now you have to do is to click here, download Delta app now. So let me just click on it. So after clicking on download app, is then going to take you to this place where you are either going to download the APK or the iOS version. So depending on the device that you are using, you are just going to click on it. So for me, I'm using an Android, so I'll just click on Android APK download. Okay, my network is not on, let me on it. Okay, and then let me wait up for it to load, and then I'll just go ahead to click on download anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to wait up for it to download. It is downloading right now, and I'm going to wait up for it to download. This is it here. Okay, so after downloading the app, the next thing now is just to click on it. Look at the app here. I'm just going to click on it, and then I'll click on, it says over here, do you want to install this application? I'll click on install. App installed. I'll then click on open. Okay, so this section now, all I am required to do is to put in my country here. So you know your own country, I know my own country. I am from Nigeria, so I'll be putting in Nigeria here. Okay, so if you are from Denmark, you are from Mars, you are from any place, even outside the earth, you can put it. So I'm from Nigeria and I'm putting it there. And then the next thing is to put your phone number, in which I'm also going to do that. Okay, then I'll then click on next step. So over this place now, I'll then put the referral code of the person that referred me. So I'll be putting it down here, and then I'll also put a nickname. The nickname that I'm going to be using is Console 21. Okay, and then I'll click on next step. So I'll just click on get code. Okay, so over here now, they are going to tell you what you are basically going to do here. They are going to tell you to select a number which you are going to send an SMS to. So you just have to select a network actually, and then select the number. And I'm going to advise you select MTN if you're in Nigeria. So this is MTN right here. I'll be selecting this one, this particular number here. So I'll just click on it and then click on next step. All right, so over this section now, this is what it says over here. This is the instruction. Please use your phone number. That is the phone number I used in registering on the Delta mining app to send a verification string to the access number. Okay, so I'll be copying this text here. This is the verification string. I'll be copying it. So if I copy it right now, I will then send it to this number to complete my verification. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be sending through WhatsApp. You can either send through SMS or WhatsApp. So I'll be sending through WhatsApp. So the next thing to do is just to click here. And remember, you also have a limited time. My time is remaining 3 minutes now. And then I'll click on confirm. And then I'll choose the WhatsApp that I want to use. Okay, so after sending the message now, the next thing to do is to click here. I have sent verification string. Next step. I actually sent it through SMS because I was trying to send through WhatsApp, but it seems that the number I chose, this number I chose, is not on WhatsApp, and even the previous one. So let me just go ahead now to click. I have sent verification string, and then I'll confirm. Okay, so after the verification, you can see right over here that it have started mining. Let me click on mine. so that it will start mining. So you can see right over here that it have started mining, and you can see that the total people on this airdrop is 183,713 people. So you are still early to this project. Yes, you are still early, so make sure you are going to join right now. And then lastly, you can come over to the menu section, and if you come over to the menu section, you can see your referral code here. This is your referral code, so you can copy your referral code, and after copying your referral code, you can start sharing so that you are going to invite people into this airdrop and you are going to earn more. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you are going to give this video a like, it is very important, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't. See you guys and stay blessed.